Hi, today I'm producing Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to check battery health with the Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK in the left down corner and you'll see here information about your battery health. So in my case the battery is in good condition, and also we got here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.